Whoa. Do you ever wonder what really happens while you're sleeping at night? So you go to bed, and just 8 hours ago you looked like this. And you wake up, and suddenly you look like this. Now it's obvious that I sleep on this side of my face. You can tell by my eyebrows and by my beard that I'm probably not moving once I get into this position. And I wake up where that side of my face, I could probably just go out the door. This side of my face, totally different story. And I think that's a lot of guys. I get a lot of comments about what you do in the morning. And of course, if you're washing your hair and you're washing your beard, you can start all over again. I styled my beard last night to come up with that picture. But say you get up in the morning and your beard is definitively compromised. What can you do to quickly do your beard so you can head out the door without washing it, without blow drying it? And so what I do is I typically go back to the products that I used before. And what I can do is reactivate them in hopes that it'll recover some of the style that I had the night before. And what I'm going to do is really concentrate on this side of my face. Since this side is actually looking fairly acceptable, what I'm going to do is get some sea salt spray and reactivate this. And with the aid of a brush, just try to comb it into shape and seeing if I can pull back some of the style that I had before. I'll take some styling balm then and see if I can set it, and some styling balm on my mustache to reactivate some of those curls. So here we go. Using the tea tree sea salt spray, and so I'm just going to squirt a little of this on. And what I'm doing is just trying to comb out some of the definitive patterns that sleeping puts into your beard and your hair. So really just with a comb, I'm just trying to pull out some of those waves that were obviously pushed in like this, and trying to pull those out. And really my hopes is that this doesn't take more than a minute, because if it's taking more than that, I'm just going to wash my beard. So I had blown it dry with a brush to curl it under. Now I'm not even going to touch this side. This actually looks pretty good over here. The side of my beard is already falling into place. So what the sea salt spray is, it's a medium to actually wet it, obviously, to get some of the kink out that was put in by the pressure of laying on my face. And that's actually looking pretty good. So what I'll do is just take a little more tea tree styling balm. Is that in focus? No. Take a little tea tree styling balm. I'm going to push that into my hair. I'm actually going to take a little of that residue that's on my hands and put it into my eyebrow here to get that back into control. So a big difference from where I was just a few minutes ago to being able to wear that out the door. Now it doesn't touch my mustache. Obviously this side of my mustache is still looking pretty good from the night before. This obviously slept on it, pushing it in this direction. So what I'm going to do is take some styling balm just on my mustache. I'm just going to put a little of this on the curl on this side. So that's not too bad, and I'd be ready to go with this out the door and feel confident that I'm looking fresh and not looking like the crazy bedhead man that I was just a moment ago. As for the hair, I'm probably not going to do too much here. I think I'm just going to take a spritz of sea salt. Now what this is relying on is the fact that I had more product in my hair yesterday. Yesterday I probably spritzed my hair with hairspray afterwards. Started with sea salt spray and put a little styling balm in it. And then, so there's obviously some product in there. What I actually did was just activate the product by putting the moisture back in it. So, you know, I don't know if this has anything to do with that, but if you have an oil stain, you use oil to get it out. So you sometimes use the same medium to activate the product to get it back working. So I used the same product. I had sea salt spray in my hair, used sea salt spray to actually pull it back. Same thing with my beard. So there we go, guys, from bedhead and bedbeard to ready to walk out the door in not too much time. So try reactivating the products that you had in your hair before to get it back into the shape. And I think you can do that without a hairdryer, without a round brush, just by using your Beardbrand comb and the products that you had used the night before. So good luck. Comment below and tell us what you do with beard, beard, bedhead. And we look forward to hearing what you have to say. So until we meet again, beard on.
Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company with products not only for your beard, but also your hair and body. Do yourself a favor and head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself. Or you can stick around and watch a few more of our awesome videos.